Hi, my CDC friends. Guess where I'm playing? I'm playing in blocks, and I've made some different things to show you. I've been playing here for a little while, and I'm not done yet. Would you like to see what I've made? I've made this really fun shape. Can you tell me what it's called? Wow, it's a cube. What about this one? Yes, great job. I also made an airplane. Would you like to see? I also made an airplane. I think I'm gonna park my airplane right here on my tower. I hope it doesn't fall down. And I've got my two pilots right here. All right, my two pilots are gonna fly the plane. I'm having so much fun at blocks. But guess what? It's almost time to clean up. Do you know what our cleanup song is? We're learning a new one today. Are you ready to learn a new cleanup song with me? Okay, it goes like this. I see we're having so much fun. It's time to clean up, everyone. Let's work together. It's so much fun. It's time to clean up. Let's put our pieces right on down. Can we put our pieces down? Yeah, let's put them down. Let's put our toys where they're found. Magnetiles. We found the magnetiles in the magnetile bucket. So let's put all of our magnetiles where they were found. Let's do a check on the ground. Look what I found on the ground. Some people. And where do we put them? Where they're found. It's time to clean up. Make sure we're doing our part to grab any last parts. Do you see anything else? My tower. You helped our classroom with your heart. Thank you for cleaning up. So let's try again. I hear we're having so much fun. It's time to clean up. Everyone, that means you. Let's work together. It's so much fun. It's time to clean up. Let's put our pieces right on down. Let's put our toys where they're found. Perfect. Let's do a check on the ground. Look, my airplane is still on the ground. To help clean up today, make sure we're doing our part to grab any last parts. I still have my buckets to put away. You helped our classroom with your heart. Thank you for cleaning up. Oh my goodness, my CDC friends. What a great job you did to help sing the cleanup song with me and to help show me how to clean up. So we have to remember that when we're cleaning up at the Hume house, we need to make sure that we're working together with all my friends. So we're gonna help in the writing table. We're gonna do a check on the ground. We're gonna make sure books are cleaned up and train tracks and anything else. We're gonna put our pieces down when we hear our song. So if we hear Miss Nayeli, if we hear Miss Ashley start singing the cleanup song, let's make sure we put those pieces right on down, and let's do a check on the ground and put everything where we found them. A lot of our CDC classrooms have our buckets, so let's make sure our toys go back in their buckets. And last but not least, you helped clean up with your heart. That was so helpful of you. Thank you so much for keeping our classroom safe and clean so that when we come back, we're ready to play again. It really means a lot that you guys are learning the song with me, and I cannot wait to play with you in the new school year. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Do you want to sing it one more time? Yes, let's do it. I hear we're having so much fun. It's time to clean up, everyone. Let's work together. It's so much fun. It's time to clean up. Let's put our pieces right on down. Let's put our toys where they're found. Let's do a check on the ground to help clean up today. Make sure we're doing our part to grab any last parts. You helped our classroom with your heart. Thank you for cleaning up. Woohoo! All right. Thank you for singing that one more time with me, and we'll be singing it together some more in the classroom. Bye.